First rule of cutting onions is get a very sharp knife. Now that's out of the way, cut that baby in half and you peel it. Honestly, this is probably the most time-consuming thing of chopping an actual onion because you really have to get all the outer layers off. But notice that when I cut it in half, I kept it together at the root end. That helps keep the onion together as we're going to start to chop it. Clear off your cutting board so you don't get any of those outside pieces on your onion as you start, and then cut off the end that does not have the root. Now, first step is we're going to create cuts long ways down towards the root. We flip it onto that flat end and we cut long ways one more time. And then you'll prop it to the side and just chop those off. So look at that. It was 1, 2, 3, and we get these beautiful little evenly sliced chopped little bits. Sorry that the camera is shaking so much. I'm not a cameraman, I'm a dietitian. What do you want from me? But those are beautiful onions.